Congratulations, you've made it past the final steps. Now that you've filed everything, you're simply waiting for the judge's signature. I always suggest, if you haven't heard anything in a week or two, to circle back with the court, get an update on your case, make sure that nothing is missing, that they did get it in front of a judge, and that this can be finalized as soon as the judge gets it in front of his or her face. Moving forward, what I would suggest is, if you need to modify anything, it's absolutely possible. There's different standards for each area of modification. I would ask that you reach out to an attorney if you need to on a modification. These modifications could be something like child support or parenting time or custody. Maybe there's a piece of property that you weren't clear about that needed to be divided in a particular way, like life insurance, something like that, where you need a modification to add to this. I would say if you didn't get it taken care of in the initial settlement agreement, that marital settlement agreement, you reach out to an attorney to help you add that on as time goes on. Now, also, I want to say thank you for putting your trust in me to carry you from step 1 to step 10 to finalize this divorce, all the way from figuring out what court documents you need to review prior to starting to the final decree and waiting on the judge's signature. If you know someone who would benefit from this course and you had a decent experience, you understood what was going on, you found this to be very helpful, please share it. If you have any questions and you finalize your divorce, you're wondering, can someone review this settlement agreement? Can someone explain how I modify this if I need to in the future? Please reach out. We're happy to help. Otherwise, I just want to say again, congratulations on starting your next steps in your journey, and thank you again for trusting me.